Michael here from the roof guys, and this is your roof. I always start out with the ridge venting. How does the air just naturally rises out of that. You can see where some of them have just gotten hardened and started to split over time from sitting in the Florida sun. Usually when that happens, they start to separate and even some of them will fly off. This ventilation is where the hot air comes out of your attic. You can see they didn't put any above your garage there. It's probably why it runs so hot. As long as the trusses aren't in the way, we'll put it above there for you. This black streaking along the roof, it's a blue-green algae that comes off the trees. That's what we really like about GAF and Atlas, is they guarantee for the life of the roof not to have that. Owens Corning gives you a 10-year on it. This right here is the valley. You don't currently have any ice and water barrier in there. We get so much rain down here, it's like ice. So now the new code is 36 inches in there. This right here is called a drip edge. Runs along your house. Some roofers will say because it's not code, we'll replace it anywhere there is not gutters. So that would be like here. Down there where there is gutters, they say they won't replace it because they don't want to deal with the gutters. Now it will be code soon, so we went ahead and we do it in all our homes. We replaced the drip edge because it runs about 2 inches above the house. If you don't replace it, they'll pull the felt from underneath it. They'll only run the synthetic underlayment up to it. A lot of times we'll see rotted out wood about 2 inches all along the edge of the roof within the first 10 years of the roof's life. So if you get a roof done right, a full roof system, not a Frankenstein roof where they're just mixing, matching all kinds of things and skipping corners that aren't code, then you'll run into problems within the first 10 years, more than likely. Let's see here, around the corner is a plumbing boot. I wanted to show you that. That's where your sink breathes. This one here is called a lead boot. They just fold over the corners like that. So the creepy crawlies can get in there. Sometimes small frogs will get in there. They'll get so big from eating all the bugs, they can't even get out. So we'll replace that with a bullet boot, and it'll have a guard on top of it. It'll be color coded. So if you stick with this color, which is an Owens Corning amber, then we'll make it brown to blend better with the roof. We'll take good care of the driveway, be sure to protect it, put down some tarps, and we use a dumpster that's on car wheels. A lot of these roofers will use a rented dumpster or a metal wheeled dumpster that can chip away at your nice driveway. All in all, that's your roof.